Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to update firmware in Trezor Suite safely. Updating firmware on your Trezor device is essential for maintaining security, performance and compatibility with new features and firmware. Update bug fixes, patch vulnerabilities and improve overall functionality. And however, because Trezor is a hardware wallet that protects your cryptocurrency, updates must be done carefully and correctly. So before you start, open to your Trezor Suite and make sure to connect your Trezor device using a USB cable and unlock the device if required. And you need to check for the firmware update here. If a firmware version is available, Trezor Suite will automatically show a firmware update notification, and you can simply click onto this update firmware to begin if there's any update firmware on your interface. And confirm the update inside the Trezor Suite. Your new Trezor device screen will also display a confirmation message, and you need to follow on the screen instruction and the device may go into bootloader mode. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and